Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use HubSpot API. Alright, so let's begin with the video. One of the most useful features of the HubSpot API is managing contacts. You can easily create, read, update, or delete contact records programmatically. This reduces manual data entry and ensures that your CRM always has accurate, up-to-date customer information. Similarly, the API helps you track companies and deals, giving you full visibility into your sales pipeline. Now, to start using the HubSpot API, you'll need your API key. Simply go to your Hub support account. Once you're there, move your cursor to the left-hand side at the bottom and click on Developer Options. After clicking, you'll be taken to the Developer's Hub support account. On the left-hand side, you'll find the key option. Click on it, from there, select API Key Developer, and once you click on it, you'll be able to see your API key displayed on the screen. Then click Show and Copy to secure it. Make sure to keep this key private, as it's your unique access credential that protects your account from unauthorized use. And that's it. So that is how you can use HubSpot API. So that's all for this video. Thanks.